shaky hands.
Okay, like I said, if I see this on YouTube, I'm gonna get the fuck out you. Let me tell you, it's gonna be being you did it. Okay, all right. This is what happened. This is what happened. Now, me, Tamar, which is Marcus's girlfriend. You know the one that looked like he escaped from the institution that time, the crazy black one? Yeah, him. Girlfriend of ours named Jessie and a friend of ours named Bo. Now we walk into the taqueria, right? Thinking everything was gonna be okay. There was some shitty water. I mean, the sewer line was right there, and it was going through a little driveway. So I'm walking through it the first time when we're going there, and I said, you know what? Fuck this. I'd rather risk getting hit and walk in the street before I walk through this shitty water again. Right after that, my friend Bo was on the phone with his girlfriend. Baby, my battery's about to die. I gotta call you back. I don't want my phone to hang up in your face. My ass decided to say, shit happens. So, we go to the taqueria, we get our food, we walking back through. I don't know how, but somehow my left leg, because there was a bunch of cars coming, and I couldn't walk in the street to avoid the shitty water. So, I'm walking through. Who the fuck is this? Hold on. Just hold it. Yeah. Is that for you? God damn it. Anyway, so as we're walking through, somehow my left leg has a mind of its own and decides to just slip, and I fall on my back into the shitty water. Now, I fell on my left side, right? Tell me why I had to roll over get on both of my hands to pick my big ass up. I didn't want nobody's help because I was just that ashamed. Now, when I got up, the first word out of my mouth was, of course, shit! Shit everywhere! Oh! So, I'm walking back through to the apartments, man, then the motherfucker, these bitches decide they want to stop at the store. So I said, somebody either pull the money out of my titty or go buy me an Arizona iced tea. So Tay-Tay comes and pulls it out, go gets my tea. We walk back to the house. This bitch, the first thing she decides to do, knock on my door. And when Marcus opens it up, that's Marcus over there. Say hi, Marcus. Okay. Opens the door and says, April fell right in some shitty water. Bitch, stop telling my business.
I just don't take your shit ass in the shower.
He say the shower's that way. About 20 minutes go by, and I realized that I told Bo on the way to the taqueria, if your phone hang up in your girl's face, what did I say? Does everybody remember?
Shit happens.
Shit happens. So I called Tay-Tay and said, bitch, I'm gonna make you laugh. She said, what's up?
What did you say when you got there?
What's the first thing I said to Bo when he said he was gonna hang up in his gal face? She said, bitch, shit really do happen, don't it? Shit really do happen all over your motherfucking legs, your arms, your hands, your back. I missed the whole fucking right side of my leg because I was so angry. I just wanted to get out the shower and get in the bed. Do you hear me? So he comes in there and he's like, baby, you still got shit all over your leg.
My little sister called her say she's hot.
Why, Lord? He gets a towel. He's like, that's okay, baby. I love your shit ass. I'm just going to wash it off of you. Worst day ever. Do you hear me?
Was it goose shit?
Fuck. Shit.